Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this video is unavailable error code 0 in YouTube. So here follow the steps. First solution is to just reload your web page. Simply reload your web page. And then check. Second solution is to switch web browser or try incognito mode. If you are using Chrome browser, then switch to Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser or any other web browser and then check. Additionally, you can also open Browser In Incognito mode and then see if that helps. Third solution is to turn off AdBlock. If you are using any kind of AdBlock extension, then just turn it off. To do so, click on AdBlock and then click on pause on this site. Or if you are using any AdBlock extension, then click on extension icon, then click on manage extension and turn off AdBlock. If you are using any kind of AdBlock, then just simply turn it off and then check your error is fixed or not. Fourth solution is to turn off your AdBlocker and then turn it on again. This has worked for many users. Simply just turn off your AdBlocker and then turn it on. Simply turn off your AdBlock and then turn it on and then check YouTube is working or not. Fifth solution is to clear YouTube cache. So to do this, open Chrome browser, click on three dots, select settings. On the left, click on privacy and security. Then click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions. Here search for YouTube and beside youtube.com, click on trash icon and click on delete to confirm. Now you can check error is fixed or not. Sixth solution is to connect to VPN or refresh VPN. If you are not connected to any VPN, then connect to one and change the location and see if that helps. Also, refreshing your VPN works. Just turn off your VPN and then turn it on again and then check YouTube is working or not. So by this way you can fix the error code 0. This video is unavailable in YouTube. And if you are unable to view this video on YouTube to fix the error code 0, then you can find the solution mentioned in the video description and in comment. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.